Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review Inito Fertility Hormones tracking device. Okay, so you should buy this device or not, does it really helpful, or you should buy it or not. Okay, so in this video we will cover lots of information, including is this brand good or not, is this brand legit, you should take this device or not. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, Inito is a very popular brand and they are approx 27 years from now, and they also have their each and every social media platform. Like Inito is also available on LinkedIn and they have very good followers, like 44,000 followers. Okay, and in the terms of legitness, the brand is 100% legit, but there are some problems also. So first of all, if we talk about what is the use of this device, basically you can track your fertility hormones at your home at any time. Okay, because if you don't want to visit your gynecologist again and again, if you want to track your hormones, if you want to track your ovulation date, if you want to track your ovulation study, then you can do this task as at your home very easily. Okay, so basically when you use this device, you will get your results like LH and estrogen and PDG and FSH and LH. Okay, so these hormones are very important for ovulation study, and when you track these hormones by using this device, you can easily know the date, what's the correct date for your pregnancy. Okay, so yes, really you can buy this product, but before buying this product you can you should know something. Like the first thing, the order cancellation, you can check their refund and return policy. Like their refund and return policy says like you will not get your full refund if order is shipped. Okay, and if you want to cancel your order, you can cancel your order if your order is not shipped only. And if you want to cancel your order, then you need to pay like $15 processing fee when you try to return your product. Okay, so this is the fees. Okay, now there is a subscription model also. Like if you are a customer for subscription, so it means they also have subscription plan. So before you can say like buying this product, you should know like what is the subscription fees and all. So you need to contact with the customer support, you need to ask these questions like how much money you have to pay for the subscription and all. Okay, and we talk about like some other things, that is like product will work or not. Yes, definitely these kind of product really work, and it is really helpful. If you don't want to visit your gynecologist again and again, you can track your hormones and you can achieve your pregnancy, conceive very easily. Okay, by tracking this your hormone cycles. Okay, and if we talk about like pregnancy is also depend on female and male partner. So your male partner should be, you can like in very good condition in your hormones, in sperm quality. Your partner's hormones quality, or you can like sperm quality, should also very good. Okay, otherwise you will not achieve any kind of pregnancy. Your you can like your female partner sperm quality should be very good. Okay, so if you don't know what's your female partner you can like semen quality, you should take a test of semen analysis. Then you can, then after testing you can get results, accurate results. Your partner is you can like good for pregnancy, conceive or not. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.